Oh my gosh, guys, as you can see, I got the MADFUT 22 Plus on my device. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this on your device to modded version. It's going to give you unlimited coins, cards, stuff like that. As you can see, I'm literally super rich. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. You do not need a computer, and you also do not need a jailbreak in order to do this. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. So as you can see right here, guys, I can literally go ahead and get everything. It's all completely for free. Super crazy, guys. I can't believe it actually works, but it does. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So let's get right into the tutorial. So if you want to download this onto your device, you want to go to settings. Once you're there, go to general, find background app refresh, and make sure this is on. You can have it on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. So just make sure it's turned on to one of those. You're going to be good to go. So once you've done that, guys, all you have to do is go ahead and go back, and you want to go down to where it says battery and make sure low power mode is turned off. You're going to know it's on because your percentage will be yellow. So make sure low power mode's turned off. Once you've done that, you're good to go. So all you have to do now, guys, is go ahead and go down to App Store and make sure automatic downloads is turned on. This should be on by default. Once you've done that, you're good to go. So all you have to do now is go ahead, go to this amazing site I'm about to show you. It has a ton of monster apps and games. So let me just type it in right here. So once you're on the website, guys, you just want to go to the search bar and type in MADFUT. So let me just do that right here. This website has a bunch of modded apps and games. It's super crazy. As you guys can see, they have a huge selection of cool content to download onto your device completely for free. So I'm just going to go ahead, go to the search bar and type it in right here. So let me just do that. And as you can see, it comes right up, the MADFUT 22 Plus. So in order to download this onto your device, guys, you just want to go ahead and press on it. And then all you have to do is go ahead and press where it says start injection, and it will download straight onto your device. Now, this website's got pretty good download speeds, download time, so it shouldn't take that long. So let's just give it a minute here. As you can see, I'm just going to let it load. Super crazy, guys. Can't believe it actually works. So you can see it says starting injection. All right, let's just give it a minute. Setting up final stage. All right, here we go. All right, so it's pretty much at the end now. So basically what's going to happen is you're going to have to do a quick verification by downloading 2 apps and completing the instructions. This is completely free. These are from the official App Store. You just download them, run them. You're going to be good to go. So I'm just going to pick 2 of these. I'm going to do IRL Social Calendar as my first app. It's going to take me over to the App Store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. And guys, I'd like to bear in mind, these are completely free. You don't have to buy anything. And if you see different apps than me, that's just because it's based on region. Totally fine. So while this app's downloading, I'm going to go ahead and go back onto the list and download another app. So let me just go ahead and go back, and I'm going to get one more. So let me just go back here, and I'm going to download iHeartRadio. It's going to take me over to the App Store again, and I'm going to go ahead and download the app. So let me just do that right here, and now I'm just going to go to my home screen, give it a minute for these to download. They're pretty small, so I'm honestly not expecting a long wait time. So let's just give it a minute. The calendar's already done, so I'm going to open it up. And all I have to do is just be on the app, guys. Really simple to do, super crazy. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that right here, as you guys can see. All right, and I'm just going to go ahead and basically just stay on the app. This app, I had to put in my email address. It's all completely free, super easy to do, guys. Can't believe it actually works, but it does. So let me just go ahead and do that right here. As you guys can see, I'm just going to put in my email. Here we go. All right, really cool, awesome stuff. Let me just type this in. Okay, and I'm just going to put in the full thing. All right, and now I'm going to go ahead and move over to the other app. So let me just go ahead and do that right here. And so now I'm just going to scroll around the app for a little bit, just doing some basic interactions, touching around. We should be good to go. So let me just go ahead and do that. I'm just touching around, really easy. Very simple to do, guys. Super crazy. So once you're done, the MADFUT 22 Plus will download onto your device. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely give us one a try. Get the word out about this crazy method. I'm blown away it actually works, guys, but it does. Super cool. It's an amazing trick. Awesome stuff. Definitely give it a shot. Get the word out about this, guys. It's super awesome. I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.